video is on how to check income tax refund status. Income tax refund means refund amount that is initiated by the income tax department if after processing of income tax return the amount paid in taxes is more than the amount due. Such excess is refunded by the income tax department as income tax refund. Return processing by the tax department starts only after the return is verified by the taxpayer. The refund amount is credited to the bank account of the taxpayer after processing of income tax return. However, if you have not received your refund, you must check if your Aadhaar is linked with your PAN. Also, please check for discrepancies in your ITR and also kindly check any email notification from Income Tax Department regarding refund. To know your refund status, your PAN should be linked with your Aadhaar number. Your ITR should be filed claiming refund, and in case you want to know the refund status in the pre-login mode, you should have any valid mobile number. You can check your refund status both in the post-login as well as pre-login mode. Let us now see step by step how do we check our refund status first in the post-login mode. To check your refund status, you are required to go to e-filing portal homepage and click on login. Here you are required to enter your user ID and password. Post-login, if your Aadhaar is not linked with your PAN, you will see a pop-up message that your PAN is made inoperative as it is not linked with Aadhaar. To link the PAN with Aadhaar, you can click on Link Now button, else you can click on Continue. To know your refund status, you are required to go to e-file menu, click Income Tax Returns and then go to View File Returns. On View File Returns page, you can check the refund status for the desired assessment year. You can also check the life cycle of your filed income tax return. You can click on View Details to know more. You can have 4 status of your income tax refund. When the refund is issued, you will be able to see the date of clearance in the refund status and the mode of payment. If the refund is partially adjusted against a demand, you will see the status accordingly. If the refund is fully adjusted against a demand, the status would be updated as processed and full refund adjusted. In case your refund request has failed, you would be able to see the status. You can click on Submit Refund Reissue. Let us now see the step-by-step process to check the refund status in the pre-login mode. You are required to go to the e-filing portal homepage. To check the refund status in the pre-login mode, you can go to Quick Links section and click on Know Your Refund Status. Here you are required to enter your PAN and select the assessment year and any valid mobile number and click on Continue button. You will receive an OTP on your mobile number. You're required to enter the 6-digit OTP and click on Continue button. Now you can see the refund status. Let us now see some of the possible reasons for refund failure. If you are an individual taxpayer and your PAN has become inoperative because it has not been linked with Aadhaar, your refund will get failed. You will see a warning message to link your PAN with Aadhaar. You would be eligible to get your refund only once your PAN becomes operative. Some of the other reasons for refund failure could be that your bank account is not validated. Please note that it is compulsory to validate your bank account. Similarly, if your name in the bank account record does not match with the name as per PAN card, this could also be a reason for refund failure. It has also been seen that on account of merger of banks, valid bank accounts may have subsequently got invalidated due to consequent changes in IFSC or the bank account number. In such cases, it is advised to check and revalidate such bank accounts with the updated IFSC or account number. Your refund will also fail if the account number that you have mentioned in the income tax return has been closed. Please note that if the bank account validation will fail, the information on the same will be displayed on the e-filing portal. You can add or remove a bank account by clicking on 3 vertical dots on My Bank Account screen. Let us now see the checkpoints before raising the refund reissue request. So therefore, before raising a refund reissue request, kindly ensure that the account type that you're adding should be either a savings or a current, cash credit, overdraft, or an NRO account. The name in your bank account records should match with the name as per your PAN. If there are more than one bank account Please validate all the bank accounts on the e-filing portal and ensure at least one bank account is in valid status and is eligible for refund. Nominate at least one bank account for refund. Kindly remove or deactivate the bank accounts which are closed on the e-filing portal. If you are an NRI, provide only non-resident ordinary account number. Foreign bank accounts are not eligible for refund. You will not be eligible for refund if your PAN is not linked with bank and the name is not matching. Also, your PAN is linked with the bank account, but there is a name mismatch between PAN and bank database. Linking of PAN and Aadhaar is not applicable for non-resident Indians and senior citizens. Let us now see some of the frequently asked questions on refund reissue. A situation could be that while submitting refund reissue request, you're getting an error, you have no refund failures to raise reissue request. This situation would arise if you had provided any other valid bank account and nominated it for refund. CPC would have reinitiated the refund to such nominated bank account irrespective of whether reissue request is submitted by you or not. In such cases, please check refund status before submitting refund reissue request. Another situation could be that while submitting refund reissue request, you are getting a technical error. In such cases, please ensure that the bank account is linked with PAN, it is validated and nominated for refund before reinitiating the refund from CPC. There could be another situation that while submitting refund reissue request, you're getting the error, bank validation is under progress and therefore you're not able to submit refund reissue request. In such cases, you may nominate any other validated bank account and raise a refund reissue request. However, if that is not possible, please wait for 30 days. In case bank account does not get validated in 30 days, it will be moved to not validated status. Taxpayer can then revalidate the bank account. Checking your refund status and raising a refund reissue request is very easy. For more information, kindly visit